Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Is your email inbox overflowing? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'll show you how to mass delete email on your iPhone. Let's get started. Firstly, open the Mail app on your iPhone. Navigate to the inbox or the folder where you want to delete emails. Tap Edit in the upper right corner of your screen. To quickly select multiple emails, you can either tap each email you want to delete or use a two-finger swipe. To use the swipe, place two fingers on an email and swipe down to select multiple emails quickly. Once you've selected the emails you want to delete, tap Trash or Delete in the bottom right corner. To ensure your emails are completely removed, go to the Trash folder and ensure you delete everything there. And that's it guys, you've successfully mass deleted emails on your iPhone, making your inbox much cleaner. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more quick tips. See you next time. Bye.